my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rochelle, and today I'll be showing you how to get your faux locks looking super duper curly. I have a video on how I did my faux locks, so you can go and click in the description and you'll find it there. And now this one is about being curly. If you're interested, stick around, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow my blog and social media pages, and yeah, let's get into the video. The process to get your faux locks looking super curly is pretty simple. All you need to do is take 3 strands of the locks and you braid it as if you're doing a regular braid. And once you're done with that, you secure the end with a rubber band and then you dip it into hot water. And remember, the tighter you braid the hair, the tighter and more compact the curls will be. I've completed my entire head. I finished braiding the hair. Now it's time to dip it in some hot water. I recommend that you get someone to help you with this process because you are dealing with hot water and there's a possibility of it spilling on you, which you're gonna try your very best to avoid. And an alternative to doing this would be to hold your head over in a bucket and have someone pour the water onto your hair. I mean, that works just as well as dipping it. So the choice is yours, and just do you. Yeah. So these pictures will show you exactly what the hair looks like once I braid it and add elastic bands to the end. I remember when I did it and I was supposed to pull it out and have it curly, but when I woke up I was like, girl, you too cute. So I just rocked it for a day and then I eventually pulled it out. So after hot watering the hair, you can either blow dry the hair or leave it to air dry. And once that's done, all you need to do is remove the rubber bands from the end and unbraid the hair. And guys, remember that the tighter you had braided the hair, the more compact the curls would have turned out. So yeah, this is pretty much how I got my faux locks looking super duper curly. It's pretty straightforward, easy, quick, and just to the point. I want to thank you so much for watching my videos, and I want to ask you to take the time out to go watch the video of how I install the faux locks, and there's a second video of how I style the faux locks, and this third video is how I curl the faux locks, and then my final video will be how I cut the faux locks. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate it, and I encourage you to go follow me on my social media platforms, which will be in the description below, and follow my blog page. Bye guys, see you in the next video.